that we've gone shopping for those great projects in Diwali, let's now also take you shopping for beautiful Diwali gifts. The market is flooded with choices, but how do you make your Diwali present stand out from the rest? I have just the perfect ideas that will make you the talk of the town this Diwali. Diwali is a time to show your loved ones that you really care with a gift that's unique and special and one that will always find a pride of place in their homes. So let's go shopping for the most exclusive gifting options this Diwali.
Gold, the symbol of grace and purity, is the most coveted and aspirational commodity today. So a Diwali gift that glitters in gold can be a beautiful way of telling someone they are precious to you. Brands like Golden Touch specialize in delicate filigree art, where a 24-karat gold leaf is engraved with designs of Indian deities or any motifs of your choice. The gold leafing products are processed with a protective coating that ensures that they remain their sheen forever.
People want to spend less, but they want something that looks worth way more than what they're spending. This kind of fits in with the thing because it is 24 karat gold, and when you think 24 karat gold, however much, however small a piece, it still is going to look as if I've spent a bomb on it.
Just like gold, silver is also a great gifting option this Diwali. The traditional silver has been given a glamorous makeover by brands like Alchemy Deluxe that handcrafts sterling silver creations like these. Lustrous tableware, divine prayer items that are used during Diwali Puja, or decorative pieces. Skilled silversmiths have hand-wrought each piece in an alchemy of silver, precious stones and copper, giving each item strength and unmatched brilliance.
The perceived value of the product is also much more because silver now becoming so expensive that you barely get, for 10-15,000 rupees a very small item, but combined with Murano, it gives a very precious and a very expensive, it appears to be an expensive gift.
But if you're looking to gift something that's rare and exclusive, then head to Yadro. This 60-year-old luxury brand from Spain is known for its exclusive porcelain masterpieces. Yadro's limited edition India-themed range has the most breathtaking depiction of the Ram Darbar. Even more divine is their Ganesha series. Every Yadro piece is perfection in porcelain, a subtle statement of luxury that transforms any space that it graces. But if you're one of those who likes to gift something not just to showcase, but something of use, then the House of Technology with its wide range of gadgets and gizmos will solve all your gifting needs. Surprise your loved ones with an electronic appliance or lifestyle gadget to bring some comfort and convenience to their lives.
There are a lot of offers which are there from most of the brands, like whether you talk of Sony, Samsung, Panasonic, Nokia, सबकी कोई ना कोई brand ये offer चल रही है. Even on Apple we have a very exclusive offer going on.
But in all this shopping, don't forget to also bring some festive color and cheer to your friends and family. Diyas in funky shapes, wall hangings in bright hues, sparkly decorations, ready-made rangoli designs can be a small side addition to the overall gift package that you might be putting together. Brands like Rio Grande specialize in kitschy designs, and gifting these funky decorations will surely raise the cool quotient of your present. But whatever be the gift you buy, the spirit of love and brotherhood is the most valuable present that you can bring to your near and dear ones this Diwali. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.